Hey guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to beat summer boredom. So last year around the same time I made a video with my cousin Sophie called How to Have the Best Summer Ever. You can go check it out if you want to. And we had so much fun making that video that we were like, hey, we should totally make another one just like it. So today we're going to be showing you a few fun things that you can do this summer when you're bored, or you can add these to your summer bucket list. We had tons and tons of fun making this video. I'm so stoked for summer and all the fun things I'm going to do. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I tie-dyed shirts every single summer. And I hadn't done it in so long, and so we decided to tie-dye some shirts this year. And it was honestly so much fun, and it brought back so many childhood memories. Oh, the good old days. I feel like this is just such a classic good summer activity. Just go out and buy a tie-dye kit, look up a tutorial online how to do it, maybe get a bunch of your friends together, and then you can all have tie-dye shirts that you can wear together and be total, like, hashtag squad goals, you know what I mean? But Sophie and I had so much fun making our cute tie-dye shirts and acting like little kids again. If you've ever seen the movie Princess Diaries, you know the scene where she's throwing darts at balloons full of paint. Yeah, literally the coolest thing ever. This is basically an easier version of that. The first thing you do is get a canvas and stick a bunch of tacks through the back so that the sharp side is in the front. Oh. And then you'll need a few empty water bottles, and make sure that they have a spout like these ones do. What you're going to do with these is take whatever paint you choose to use and fill the water bottles up halfway with paint and then the rest of the way with water. And once you have all your paint mixed in with the water, you're going to use the water bottle as kind of a spout to fill up your water balloons. And I'm not gonna lie, this is super messy. Before we started filming us filling up water balloons, we literally got paint all over ourselves, all over the sidewalk. Just be careful, make sure you don't ruin anything. And now is the fun part, throwing the paint-filled balloons. This was such a blast. I had so much fun with it, and it's a perfect activity to do when you're bored on a long summer day. Something I love to do in my free time is make treats and bake and cook and all that good stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy 3-ingredient watermelon slush. The first thing you're going to do is take a watermelon and chop it up into little cubes. And once you have 3 cups of that, you're just going to put it in the freezer for at least 3 hours. Once the 3 hours is up, you're going to want to get out your blender and add 1 1/4 cups of water, along with the frozen watermelon, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then after that, all you have to do is just blend it up. Seriously, the easiest treat ever. I feel like it's a kind of healthier version of like an icy or something, but making any summer treat is a great way to spend your time when you're bored. I know this one's pretty basic and like everybody suggests it, but it's summer, so you gotta have a pool day. Whether you have a pool or your friend has a pool or you have access to a public pool, just get together with a bunch of your friends and hang out in the pool or by the pool, whatever you prefer. Having a pool day is such a great way to just relax and chill out and spend time with your friends.
I just want to tell you something. It must have been something I forgot.
We're not. I don't even talk good.
So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long.
Alright everybody, this is one of my very favorite things to do in the summertime. I love water balloons. I love water games. They're so much fun. I think this is a great idea, especially if you don't really have a pool close by. It's a great way to cool off and have fun with your friends and family. And there's tons and tons of different water game ideas on Pinterest. Here we're just playing a classic game of water balloon baseball. It's always a hit. And it's a super fun way to cool off on a hot summer day.
So bad.
If you ever hit it.
What the heck?
You didn't run!
Last idea is to make a summer scrapbook, and I know you're probably thinking that scrapbooking is like such a grandma thing, but it's not, okay? I think this is a perfect way to keep all of your summer memories and pictures and everything in one place, and it can also be super cheap too. I'm pretty sure I got this little journal for like $2 or something, but it's the perfect thing to have when you're bored because you can just pull it out whenever you want to and work on it a little bit, and then by the end of the summer you'll have a book full of memories and all the good times of summer for you to look back on and remember. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have missed this so much. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've kind of been gone for a little while. I decided to kind of take a break from making videos and posting videos because of many different reasons. But now I'm back and better than ever. I'm so excited to be talking to you and be making videos again. The break I took was very much needed, but I'm so thrilled to be back and creating again. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do in the whole entire world, and I never want to stop. But I have missed you so much. Seriously, comment down below and let me know how you're doing. How are you? What's been going on in your life? If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below and tell me what you want to see from me. It's officially summer for me now, so I have more time to be making videos and creating content for you. So drop some suggestions in the comment section. I just want to say, if you've stuck with me through this rocky, weird time of like me not really posting any videos, and if you're still supporting me, thank you so much. You mean the world to me, and I love you to the moon and back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day, a fantastic summer. If you're still in school, I hope you're passing your finals. You can do it. I know you can. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.